How to buy Bitcoin Global Eternal Oasis token. So this token came under the symbol of BGEO. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click on markets here and you will be able to see the Bitmart. Now click on this pair link and you will be able to redact to your Bitmart account. Now before that, make sure to log into your account on Bitmart and fund it with some USDT. Now after that, I will show you how to buy this token on Bitmart. Now wait a few seconds to load this page, as you can see. Now click on buy, select the limit. Here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see, and here you will be able to see the total. This is how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account, and click on buy a BGEO. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. Click on buy BGEO token. So this is how to buy BGEO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.